Hello. During an on-site visit to the hotel supplies wholesale market, we found that the Xinjia Shashi Hotel Supplies Expo City began operations in 2003. Located on Shashi Avenue in Luopu Subdistrict, Panyu District, Guangzhou, near Nansha Port and Huangpu Port, and adjacent to the Pazhou complex of the Canton Fair. Covering everything from budget to luxury hotels, the market spans approximately 500,000 square meters, with annual sales exceeding 100 billion yuan, over 4,000 retail units, and a full range of hotel supplies featuring over 1 million product varieties. Our customer base spans more than 200 countries worldwide, and we participate in the Canton Fair twice a year, in spring and fall, as well as over 200 renowned trade shows across more than 30 countries on 5 continents. All of these have left a solid mark on Shishi's market expansion, establishing a leading position in the domestic and international hotel supplies industry. The product range includes tableware, disposable items, kitchen equipment and supplies, cleaning supplies, bathroom supplies, hotel furniture, specialty appliances, hotel uniforms, lobby furnishings, guest room supplies, hotel storage solutions, interior design and decoration, hotel linens, glassware, stainless steel products, ceramic and porcelain tableware, lobby and guest room supplies, coffee and beverages, baking equipment, cleaning and personal protective equipment. Product clusters are located in regions such as Jiangmen, Foshan, Chaozhou, Guangzhou, Foshan, Zhejiang, and Shandong. For example, the plumbing and heating cluster in Jiangmen, the ceramic tableware cluster in Chaozhou, and the linens cluster in Zhejiang. Let's talk about professional purchasing agents and the process of screening the factories behind the products. Taking hotel furniture as an example, the process is as follows. Step 1. Determine customer needs analysis. Work with the customer to define and understand the product and requirements, specifications, quantity, materials, and production technical requirements. Step 2. Identify regions with hotel furniture clusters. We draw on industry reports, policy platforms, industry insiders, GPT queries, and AliExpress AI. Analysis of the raw materials involved in the production process and the hotel furniture industry. Focused on Longjiang Town, Foshan. Step 3. Access the supplier database. Government platforms, B2B websites, in-house databases, trade show directories, chambers of commerce, magazines, the internet, recommendations from industry insiders, and other resources. A comprehensive database of suppliers, typically containing hundreds of thousands of entries. Step 4. Compile a long list of potential suppliers. Conduct a comprehensive analysis based on customer requirements and the database of suppliers, and remove non-manufacturers or irrelevant entries. This results in a long list of potential suppliers, typically numbering in the thousands or tens of thousands, or even more. Step 5. Obtain detailed information on the long list of potential suppliers. Design a request for information, RFI, and a request for quotation, RFQ. By using an electronic sourcing system to send bulk inquiries to potential suppliers via email, phone, or online, companies can obtain detailed information about their long list of potential suppliers. This information includes main products, quality certifications, quality control equipment, quality inspection procedures, shipping costs, and whether the company is located in an industrial cluster, whether the company is a high-risk enterprise, whether it operates a manufacturing facility, list of production equipment, production management, company size, R&D capabilities, product certifications, product pricing, ISO certifications, 3C certification, patent status, primary target markets, number of employees, English proficiency, industry experience, whether the company is a brand, corporate certification systems, tax compliance, willingness to collaborate, international transaction methods, factory size, case studies of top clients, occupational health certifications, intellectual property management systems, bank credit ratings. Nearly 100 data points, including online content, business philosophy, environmental management, export licenses, financial health, OFAC compliance, and more. Step 6. Score the detailed information on the long list of potential suppliers. Combine the scores with customer requirements and ultimately narrow down the list of tens of thousands of candidates to 20 factories. Step 7. Factory audits and samples from 20 factories. Conduct on-site factory audits at 20 factories to obtain audit reports. Purchase samples from these 20 factories for product teardowns and testing to obtain product quality reports. Step 8. Identify the best factory. Conduct a comprehensive analysis of the audit reports and sample reports from 20 factories, along with customer requirements and factory ratings, including products, capabilities, costs, production management, quality control, commitments, cash flow, communication, production capacity, consistency, willingness to cooperate, risks, corporate culture, corporate social responsibility. We shortlisted 3 factories, consulted with the client, and ultimately selected the best factory. Step 9. Finalize the deal. Negotiate and sign a contract with the factory, pay a deposit. Step 10. Ensure production quality and after-sales service. Visit the factory to monitor production and ensure quality. Inspect goods, arrange shipping and final payment, and follow up on after-sales service. As can be seen from the process described above, by the time we have identified the customer's needs, selected a manufacturer, and obtained a quote, a significant amount of work has already been completed. Customers usually ask for a quote right away, but we often can't provide one immediately. This is a hallmark of professional procurement. If we give you a quote right away, it means we haven't gone through the proper process. Even if past customers have gone through the process described above, their needs differ from those of current customers, so naturally the process is different as well. This process requires a significant amount of time, involves collaboration across multiple roles, and incurs substantial costs that may even exceed the value of the small quantity of products you are purchasing. We feel helpless when dealing with customers who care only about price and nothing else. This nothing else includes risk, production management, capabilities, quality control, commitment, cash flow, communication, product quality, production capacity, consistency, willingness to cooperate, corporate culture, corporate social responsibility. The lowest price often hides some kind of risk or even a trap. Since offering the lowest price inevitably requires sacrificing other aspects to protect the factory's interests, this is basic common sense for any adult. So the best option is neither the cheapest nor the most expensive. It's a factory that has undergone rigorous screening and comprehensive analysis. Finally, here is some advice on purchasing hotel supplies. When procuring hotel room supplies, pay close attention to the number of industrial washes textiles can withstand, as this directly affects their lifespan and overall cost. The same applies to other products. Product quality directly impacts the guest experience and translates into public ratings on platforms like TripAdvisor and Google, which have a profound effect on reputation and occupancy rates. In terms of compliance, it is necessary to meet both the mandatory standards set by health regulatory authorities and the specifications for guest room amenities established by star rating agencies. These should be verified in advance. Packaging for toiletries must comply with local policies restricting single-use plastics. In terms of procurement and inventory management, centralized purchasing can lower unit costs, and purchase volumes should be aligned with warehouse capacity to avoid excess inventory. Restocking cycles should be planned reasonably based on usage patterns to prevent stockouts. For hotel supplies with short shelf lives, purchase quantities must align with turnover rates to ensure they are used up before the expiration date. Hotel supplies procurement affects your reputation, star rating, timelines, costs, and compliance risks. Every step of the process deserves careful attention from hotel procurement teams. Map coordinate distribution of factories for various products in China. The detailed information for each factory map coordinate contains over 100 items. All factory information is then scored across these dimensions. Rigorously select the best factories from a massive pool of factories. How can I help you? Goodbye.